Who still washes the tray in dirty water? Mopping the floor has a soul smell. Have you all experienced it at home? I always use this kind of dirt separating tray to rinse and wash the head. When it gets dirty, it gets stuck in this card. Button it up and open it. And you can rinse the support handle up and down. You have always rinsed the support cloth in clean water. If dirty water is used, the water will rub on the inner wall in a few seconds. You can rinse it clean. This support cloth is as good as new. Look at this. The dirty air in the inner barrel is clearly separated. One side is dirty water, and the other side is clean water. There is a melon pool here, and the hair will get stuck on it. There is no melon head in the handle. He can easily get into the gap at the bottom of the sofa and clean it. Who knows how much dirt is hidden there? He is also very good at using it on wooden floors. He can't take it off without leaving water marks. Is there a clear contrast with the wooden floor after taking it off? It doesn't go on the wooden floor. You may not believe it when you see it. It's so frequently used in my home. It can perfectly replace the steel ball. It's really convenient to use and go anywhere. It can also be filled with blood essence, and you can start working by pressing it here. The brush head has a matte texture, so it can be brushed clean. It has not been coated and has a long handle. It is not dirty and does not handle water. It is very good for us girls. Although the brush head is small, this is not a one-time dirty thing. Someone asked you to put on your shoes at the door. Will you go to his house next time if you are the one who cleans the house? Think about the house you worked so hard to clean and it gets dirty when others come. Have you forgotten? Let me change my slippers. Isn't it embarrassing for guests who sweat and have to wash their slippers for mysophobia when taking guests? You know you can have this kind of automatic shoe cover machine at home. You only need to step on the door and it will be automatically put on. Pregnant women and the elderly don't need it when they come. What if a set of shoe covers also eliminates the embarrassment of slippers? Just press the buckles to the four corners of the shoe cover machine. I'd better prepare one.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.